Natural solutions for better sleep. Say goodbye to insomnia. Hi, I'm Allan Wohrnitz, a nutrition expert dedicated to helping people restore their health, overcome insomnia, and reverse illnesses through nutrition, supplements, and holistic solutions. Have you ever struggled to fall asleep, lying awake for hours, feeling anxious, or just unable to quiet your mind? Maybe you wake up in the middle of the night and can't fall back asleep, leaving you groggy in the next morning. How would you like to fall asleep faster, stay asleep longer, and wake up feeling refreshed and energized every morning? Today, I'm sharing some natural sleep remedies and effective lifestyle changes that will help you relieve insomnia and improve your overall sleep quality. Let's dive into the steps you can take to enjoy restful, uninterrupted sleep. Step number 1. Replenish essential electrolytes. One of the key reasons why people suffer from poor sleep is a deficiency in electrolytes, specifically calcium, magnesium, potassium, and healthy salts like Celtic salt or Himalayan pink salt. These minerals are essential for regulating your nervous system, relaxing muscles, and calming your mind. Electrolytes for sleep: magnesium for insomnia, calcium for restful sleep, potassium and sleep. Think your nervous system like an electrical circuit. Without the proper insulation, which comes from electrolytes, your nerves become overstimulated, leading to restlessness, tension, and sleep disturbances. This is why many people struggle with anxiety at night, experience restless leg syndrome, or wake up frequently due to muscle cramps. To improve your sleep, make sure to include electrolyte-rich foods in your diet. Foods high in magnesium include leafy greens, pumpkin seeds, and almonds. For calcium, consume dairy products, tofu, and sardines. And for potassium, add bananas, sweet potatoes, and avocados to your meals. Step 2. Support melatonin production. Melatonin, known as the sleep hormone, is crucial for maintaining your circadian rhythm, your body's internal clock. It's naturally produced by your body when it's time to sleep, but several factors can hinder its production. Melatonin production, circadian rhythm, sleep hormone, natural melatonin sources. Factors like blue light exposure from screens, stress, and poor nutrition can reduce melatonin levels, making it harder for you to fall asleep and stay asleep. To support melatonin production, I recommend incorporating L-tryptophan, an amino acid that converts into melatonin, and vitamin B6, which enhances the process. Blue light exposure and sleep, natural melatonin sources. Vitamin B6 for sleep. Foods that promote melatonin include turkey, eggs, salmon, and chickpeas. You can also supplement with magnesium glycinate or zinc, both of which have been shown to improve sleep quality. Enhance GABA levels. Step 3. GABA aminobutyric acid is one of the body's primary inhibitory neurotransmitters, responsible for calming brain activity and promoting relaxation. Low levels of GABA have been linked to anxiety, insomnia, and restless sleep. To naturally increase GABA, you can include fermented foods like kimchi and yogurt, which promotes gut health and increase GABA production. You can also try GABA supplements or take herbs like valerian root and lemon balm, both known for their calming effects. Valerian root for sleep, lemon balm for insomnia, fermented foods, and GABA. Consider taurine. Taurine is an amino acid that not only helps with muscle recovery, but also plays a role in promoting GABA production and relaxation. Taurine has been shown to help people fall asleep faster and enjoy deeper sleep. You can get taurine naturally from seafood, meat, or consider supplementing if you're vegetarian. Taurine and sleep, natural sleep supplements, amino acids for better sleep. Introducing LifeWave X39 patches. If you're looking for an innovative way to improve your sleep, consider using LifeWave X39 patches. These stem cell activation patches use light therapy to support overall wellness, including helping some people experience deeper and more restorative sleep. LifeWave X39 for sleep, stem cell activation patches, light therapy for better sleep. Simply apply the patch before bed, and many users report experiencing more relaxed muscles, quicker recovery, and better sleep quality after consistent use. Take the next step towards better sleep. Good sleep is essential for everything from mood regulation to muscle recovery. So if you're tired of tossing and turning at night, these natural remedies can make a huge difference. If you'd like personal advice tailored to your unique needs, I offer a free 30-minute health consultation. We'll discuss your specific sleep challenges, what you've tried before, and how to craft a custom plan to help you fall asleep easier and wake up feeling refreshed. Book your free online health consultation today. Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more health expert tips and advice. I've got videos with practical guidance on how you can use nutrition and holistic remedies to reverse common health issues. Thank you for joining me today. Wishing you peaceful nights and energized mornings ahead.